If you're trying to decide between Namecheap and Hetzner, this video will make it simple. By the end, you'll know which one is better for beginners, which one is better for developers, and which hosting choice makes the most sense for your website or project. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. Let's start with the easiest way to think about it. Choose Namecheap if you want beginner-friendly shared hosting with everything in one place. That includes cPanel, WordPress tools, free SSL, email hosting, domain management, and 24/7 support. If you want a setup that feels familiar, simple, and easy to manage, Namecheap is usually the better starting point. This is especially useful if you do not want to deal with server management yourself. Namecheap shared hosting is built for beginners and small websites, so you can get online without needing advanced technical knowledge. You can log in, install WordPress, manage your files, set up your email, and handle your domain from one dashboard. For many first-time website owners, that convenience is a huge advantage. Now let's look at Hetzner. Choose Hetzner if you want developer-focused hosting, strong server performance, and more control over your environment. Hetzner is better suited for people who are comfortable working with Linux, SSH, server configuration, security settings, and managing their own applications. If those terms sound normal to you, Hetzner may be the better fit. Hetzner is a strong choice when you want flexibility and performance. It gives you much more control over how your server is set up and how your applications run. That makes it a great option for developers, technical users, and anyone building custom infrastructure. If you know exactly what you want, and you do not mind handling the technical side, Hetzner can be a powerful option. So here's the simplest rule. If you want an easier all-in-one hosting experience, choose Namecheap. If you want more control and stronger developer-oriented hosting, choose Hetzner. For a simple WordPress website, I would choose Namecheap. It is easier to set up, easier to manage, and better if you want to focus on your content instead of server administration. You get the tools you need without the extra complexity. But if you are working on Docker projects, custom applications, APIs development environments, or high-control VPS workloads, Hetzner is usually the better choice. It gives you the flexibility technical projects often need, along with the performance and control that developers value. So the decision really comes down to your experience level and your goals. If you are a beginner, managing a small website, or want everything handled for you in one place, go with Namecheap. If you are more advanced, want full control, and are building something technical, go with Hetzner. I hope that comparison made the choice clearer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you do not miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.